What's up, dudes? So today we are currently working on a quick project where I am just going to be dealing with my HP laptop that can't turn back on. So, yeah, the main problem with this is with the cable, the screen cable that's inside, and you're going to see in a little bit how that looks like. So, yeah, right now I'm just unloosening the screen frame, and once we finish with that, we will see what the cable looks like, and I'm going to have to explain myself for what's going to happen next. So yeah, as you see with that patch right there, that was a very beginner type of thing to do because one, I didn't really feel like getting a new screen cable, and two, well, because it kept getting loose all the time. So that's the main problem with this, yeah, is that it just gets loose all the time, and yeah, it gets a little bit annoying. I'm probably going to get a new screen cable, but for now, well, I'm just going to suck it up and deal with it. But yeah, anyway, I'm just still glad it works because I'm not sure the video shows it, but it is a little busted up at this point. And one of the edges is lifted up slightly. But yep, as you will see, well, I'll leave that for the conclusion. I think I'll cut the video here short. But yeah, anyway, I got the thing back in, and now that it works, I should be totally just as fine. And yeah, anyway, I want to say sorry about that Mac video. Sorry for skipping out on making that. It ended up being a little bit more difficult than I thought, and the Ventura download was not working for my computer. So yeah, anyway, a Mac video should be coming out next week. But yeah, other than that, have a great rest of your day. And yeah, this will be JM Hobbyist signing out.